Hello everyone, I'm just opening the Notepad++ again, and in this page, in this time you can see that this is a profile.php page. Actually I just secured all the pages by adding this if, new if, and this while by securing uh, securing the admin panel from subscribers. Now this is only for the admins, okay? So I'm just gonna get the genuine data on the profile.php now. If I just go to the browser now, you can see that this is not a genuine data. This is just a dummy block. You can see that I just typed them by myself. So what I'm just gonna do, there are a lot of ways we can create a new query. We can check the query by the user, but here we have ran the query already, so we can get all the variables here. First of all, I'm just typing name and then $rows and here the name. Okay, obviously I'm just gonna get only one name, but one thing more, they're not only the name, user f name, and duplicate this, and now user l name, and here I'm just typing the same thing. You can type user or no, it is your choice, no matter, but user f name, and there is the user l name, and then just go to the browser to check what more you need. The other thing is actually the user email, we have the user email and password already. By the way, user gender, user marital status. So here I am just duplicating and just typing user gender and just typing the same here in the rows because I'm just getting these data from the database. Okay, now user marital status, in this way actually, $rows and then user marital status. Save that, go to type more, add another $, and then just type user phone number, here the user phone number. All these data which is in the row belongs to the database, and actually I'm just typing the same which is in the database. If I just go there, now you can see user phone number, user designation, user marital status, and etc. So the next is user designation. Let us duplicate this and just type user designation, and here just type the same again. Okay, now here the user website, user about me, and user date. I'm going back. No, date is not necessary actually. User website, user web address, and user website and user about me is much. User website equals to rows, sorry, and here user website, and then cover that and just go down and just type user address. And let's type here, instead of the website, I'm just typing user address, and then user about me, and at the first I'm just adding the same user about me. Okay, now save that. The last thing is the user date, which I'm not getting there, so let's just go to the browser back, sorry, the notepad back, and actually I am just calling all these on the areas where we need. So here I'm just removing the Shazade Kamal and just adding the PHP, and then here the echo and user f name, and then 2 periods, because here I'm just adding 2 single quotes and then a space, and then user l name, and save that, and then press any space. Now save that, go to the browser, and here refresh that. Now I got the Shazib Kamal again. That means this is perfect. Now instead of the web developer, I'm just gonna do the same. I'm just copying this line and just pasting this here. Okay, don't remove the space from there because this is really necessary just because of this icon. So here we don't need these things, so I'm removing that. Okay, the extra thing, and here the user, I have to check that the user about me, user designation. Okay, designation. Now save that and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the web developer here, which is actually the real. So now I'm just copying this line and just pasting instead of the ABC road and just mentioning user address. Save that and refresh that again. Now I'm getting 87 etc, whatever my home address is. So again, let's just copy this and paste this here, and now I'm just typing user phone number. Save that and go to the browser again and refresh that. Now this is my phone number I got here. Now I'm just deleting this email address and just duplicating this one, the PHP, and again just removing the user email. Okay, I didn't just mention the user email, so wait for a while. Here I'm just setting the comments. So going to the top, and actually the email address is in this session. Okay, the session user is actually the email. So instead of echoing the data from the database, I'm just echoing this session here. Session user is actually the email address of the recent user. So save that and refresh that. Okay, everything is perfect now. Now come to the gender area. I'm going here, and actually this one is the gender, and here I'm just pasting the same thing. And now user gender. Okay, and then user status means user marital status. Save that and just go there, and user website. Save that and just go to do more. The first post, all the thing are not really important now. Refresh that. Now I got the data from the database. Now you can see that in the database I just mentioned all the things is in small letters, at least most of the things in small letters. So here what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna use the function of UC first, and add two parentheses, just cut that, paste inside that, and now copy the whole thing and paste, and at the ending here. Now the thing is, we can't use a semicolon inside the parentheses, but must be outside of parentheses. Now I'm just pasting the use UC first function with the parentheses and adding another parentheses, and save that and refresh that. Now all of them are actually capitalized, which is I want. So now the last thing is to add the about me from the Gen1 result. This is the about me. I'm just deleting all the lorem ipsum, but adding this, oh, not this one actually. Remove all that and just type the PHP, and here echo, and what I'm just gonna echo, wait for a while, adding the comments here again because I'm just going to the top, and it is the about me, user about me. I just forgot about it. I'm just copying this variable and simply removing this echo and pasting this here and adding a simple parenthesis here. Oh sorry, the semicolon. Let's just refresh that. Now I got the true result ASD, which is actually inside of my account. So guys, I hope you understood how to get the genuine result, but the problem is that I didn't update the image, and the problem is that if anyone go to the registration page, now there isn't any option to put the image, which should be really necessary. So for now, what we have to do, we will learn how to upload the image and how to set the genuine image here. So we'll meet in the next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.